In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name on Notion. Changing your name in Notion is simple, but it can be a little confusing if you don't know exactly where to look. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to update the name that appears on your pages, comments, and workspaces. First, open Notion on your computer. This process is easiest to follow on the desktop app or in a browser, since the layout is the same. Look over to the left side of your screen where you see your sidebar with all your pages. At the very top of that sidebar, you'll find the option called Settings and Members. In some versions, it might just say Settings. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the main settings window in the center of your screen. Once the settings window is open, you'll see a menu on the left side of that window. Here is where you can manage everything related to your account and workspace. To change your account name, you want to look for the section labeled either with your current name or something like My Account. Click on that option to open your personal account settings. Inside your account settings, look for a field called Preferred Name. This is the name that Notion uses across your workspaces and pages, so updating it here will update it everywhere your account appears. Click inside the Preferred Name box, delete the existing name if needed, and type in the new name you want to use. Take a moment to double-check your spelling and capitalization, especially if this is for professional use, since teammates and collaborators will see it. After you've entered your new name, you need to save the change. In many cases, Notion will save automatically when you click outside the text box. So try clicking anywhere else in the settings window. In some versions, you might see an update button next to or below the field. If you do, click that to confirm the change. Once that's done, your new preferred name is active right away. You can close the settings window and you should see your updated name wherever Notion shows your profile, such as in comments or shared pages. That's all it takes to change your account name on Notion.